Hi guys, welcome back to Car Crackers and another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So today, as you can see, it's lovely and sunny. However, this morning it was pouring down, absolutely stinkingly wet. Just covered in standing water everywhere, rain, sheets of rain pouring down. So we need a car that can cope with both conditions, can cruise along in leather-lined luxury in the morning, listening to a bit of classic FM, and then in the afternoon drop the roof down, so a convertible, drop the roof down, have a lovely, I wouldn't say blast, but a lovely bask along with your, this might be a clue, with your 6-litre W12. So that, I don't think you get much more of a bigger clue really, because there's not many cars that have an engine like that. So this car, like I say, it's a 6-litre W12, 625 horsepower. What the blood? But it's a lot of power, but the car does weigh 2.5 tons. So there's quite a lot of mass to push along there. So it's probably, you guys probably from that description already know what car it is, but to give you a bit more of a clue, it's normally bought by two different types of people, or three different types of people. There's the gent who's done rather well for himself, yes, you know, I've got one of those cars, you know, lovely, beautiful to drive, you know. You then get the footballers that buy them, and then you also get the, right my darling, alright, yeah, I did quite well down the market, so I thought I'd treat myself to one of these, you know, one of those ones with a 6-litre W12, you know, twin turbo. So, yeah, putting the sort of people that buy them aside, I still think this would be the perfect car to drive today. So before I make it any more obvious, the perfect car to drive today is the Bentley GTC. Excellent. Yep. So the Bentley GTC, I would definitely say is the perfect car to drive today. Like I said, in the morning when it's pouring with rain, you can sit in the incredible interior. I don't know if you guys have sat in one, but it's literally like sitting on a marshmallow. I don't know. You get into like a BM, a Mercedes, the leather's soft, but it's still reasonably firm. But you get into a Bentley and you literally sit on the seats and you feel it just sort of hugs you into them. Absolutely incredible. It's like sitting on, I don't know, just a big soft cat. But yeah, that interior with incredible surround sound system, that'd be perfect for the morning. And like I say, just putting the roof down, lovely, bask in the sunshine for the afternoon, driving along the coastal roads. It'd be incredible. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.